my name when it drops. Only going up, yeah, we headed to the top. I'ma take a hop and open shop. I'ma take a hop and open shop. Yeah, they gon' know my name when it drops. Yeah, only going up, yeah, we headed to the top. Yeah, I'ma take a hop and open shop. Yeah, I'ma take a hop and open shop. They gon' say I did it, but I never really done it. Ayy, I've been trying to make a.
What's up guys, Junior here with NA Mustangs, bringing you back another video, and today it's going to be another Fox body video. So as you can see here, we got the instructions, which are really nice instructions. I'm impressed by this. I kind of want to hang it up on my wall. But it's by Maker's Garage, so they make, they're the ones who make splitters, I guess you can call them. I'm pretty sure they call them splitters. Yeah, so splitters. They started with really nice carbon fiber ones, and now they make ABS ones. So I ended up getting the ABS one. And I've had it for quite a few months. It's just the Fox body's been down, and finally the previous videos you can see we did the full Cobra SV kit, and then along with a few other things interior wise that we're still gonna mess with. So this is a splitter. It comes really nicely packaged. We kind of already cut up the box, but it comes with it. It comes nicely covered because with the installation, everything, even the little clips they include for you to, if you're doing it by yourself, which I recommend probably getting help. My uncle's gonna come in a second to help you mount it and see if it's gonna fit right. Stuff like that. But it includes them, as you can see here in the instructions. That's how you can like hold the splitter in position while you're drilling the holes or whatever. So stay tuned. As always, we're gonna do the whole install. It should be pretty simple. Just probably drill, screw it on, and we'll be good to go. And then we are gonna, the brakes have been done. We're gonna do a splitter first before we take it off the Jacksons. We're gonna go take it on its first drive, see if it stops after the Cobra brake kit. So fingers crossed on that. And then other than that, we have a couple things to tweak here and there, like the door needs to be aligned, and interior wise I did get a new little center console piece because mine was cracked, and the interior rear passenger side quarter panel is new because mine's broken. Well, not new, I got a used one, but stuff like that. So it should be running back to where it was, even better I should say, because it wasn't stopping before. So yeah, stay tuned, we're gonna get started.
I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this here real quick, and then we're gonna go ahead and lay it in the car and start installing it. Stay tuned. Alright, so this is the splitter here with, you know, we unboxed it. It looks really nice, nice quality. Nice and light, so it's not too heavy. But yeah, it's got a nice contour to it. So it does have all the holes pre-drilled, so that's really nice. You know, where all those clips go, it's dented in. Looks really well made. Definitely, I'm not sure how much this cost, but it's good quality, so it's, you know, it is worth its weight. Alright, so we went ahead and put the splitter on the bumper there. So we use one of the clips. I have some little bit bigger ones just because it's easier. You can't really clamp it on the bottom because the bumper is farther back, but you just want to make sure before you start drilling that you know, everything's where it's supposed to be. So, you know, measure twice, drill once, make sure it's, you know, nice center, side to side, to the front. But once you have it in there, you know, you're gonna mark all the holes on the splitter, and then you're gonna drill all the holes. These are gonna go on the splitter, so they just go on, and then you go from the back side and bolt the bolt through the bumper into the little nuts here. So we're gonna go ahead and just drill the holes now, and then do that next part. Alright guys, so it's done. This is the finished product. It looks really nice. You know, it contours the bottom of the bumper really good. Hardest part is to get those bolts, you know, because you have to go from the inside of the bumper down into the splitter. So we loosen the bottom bolts here on the bottom and just pull the bumper a little bit down, you know, put them in the hole, and then start them, use a ratcheting wrench. But just take your time, you know, you just gotta do one at a time and do it that way. So it's a little bit harder, some of the spots here where you have the bracket for the fog light, but you can do it. Other than that, it fits really nice, looks really good, so gives the car a really good aggressive look. But that's it, pretty simple to install. It looks great, it fits great. Definitely Maker's Garage does a really good job with this splitter or little lip. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys could subscribe to the channel, we'll appreciate it. Leave any comments, suggestions. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.